Hello, I'm Teresa Conway-Hayes, and I'm in Boise, Idaho, and welcome to another version of Stamping with Me. So today I titled this Thanks Friend, but it's maybe going to have a little surprise to it from this version here of the card that I made to show where I was heading at. And excuse me, my purpose for this card was to demonstrate using the masks. So there is one set of masks left in the card. It's on page 128 and it's called Artistic Mix Decorative Mats. There are supposed to be 5 masks in this collection, and unfortunately I mixed all my masks together, and I'm not really sure which mask belongs to which collection. But I am sure about this one. So what I did was I used the mask with the in colors, which are the Starry Sky, the Sweet Sorbet, the Orchard Oasis, the Tahitian Tide, and the Parakeet Party. They are so pretty. And so I decided to do a card where I could use all 5 in colors. So that's what I did. And then I used the Biggest Wish stamp set to stamp Hello Friend, or Thanks Friend is actually what I stamped. And I did all of that on an what I call layer 1, and that is a 4 by 5 1/4 inch piece of white cardstock, and I put that on a card base, and I just wanted this to be a very simple card. And then I did a little bit more masking on the inside. Because this is a white card base, I didn't put another layer inside to write on, because I can write right on this, and because I just wanted this to be a very simple card. A little stamping, a little masking, and you're done. So I did step it up a little bit. What I did was I took the mask and I took some Post-it paper to hold the mask down. And then I took a Versamark pad and I just smeared the Versamark over that. And then I took the mask up and I poured black embossing powder on the mask. So I started to heat set this, and now I'm going to finish it. First of all, I'm going to turn my comments on. Okay. I'm going to zoom in to see if we can see the embossing a little bit more. It might all be embossed by now. Okay, it does appear to all be embossed. Feels like it's all embossed. Okay. Now, that that's done, I already took a piece of cardstock and I stamped "Thanks, friend." So I thought I might just cut this out. And these scissors are too big. See how that will look on there. I like how that looks. Actually, we might do that. Now, the thing is that when I saw this, and Deb, I hope you're watching or you watch the replay, I saw cow marks, kind of, when I looked at that. Or I thought cow marks. Maybe I didn't see it, but I thought it. So this weekend, while I was camping and Deb was with me, she made a lot of cows. So I thought it would be really cute to put "Thanks, friend," and then put a cow there. I think it's adorable. I could put 2 cows there. Okay, let me get this "Thanks, friend" down first. And I'm actually going to use double-sided tape because I want to make sure that that sticks. So in case you didn't watch my last video, I did go camping in Donley at the Sakara? Anyways, it's the Willow Creek Campground, I think is what it was. And had a lot of fun, did a lot of stamping. I like to stamp in camp. Would have been more fun to have kids with me, but that's another subject. So we're just going to lay that down like that, and then with that placement we'll decide whether we're going to do 1 or 2 cows. That looks great there. But that feels crowded. So I'm just going to do 1 cow, and I'm going to do this one because I love his pose. I think it's very cute. So go ahead and put some Tombow on here and see if it's going to stick. Let's put a little double-sided tape too. What's nice about using double-sided tape like this with liquid glue is that if your liquid glue doesn't adhere and right away, the double-sided tape will hold it in place. So now we're going to take our white card base. And this time I want to make sure that I don't have a tent. I liked the tent card base for the last one, but for this one, I don't want it to be a tent. There we go. Okay, one more time, check my orientation. Yes, that's good. So, in keeping with, all right, so I'm just gonna put this little guy on the inside, and that'll be cute. This little guy is very cute. Feels a little sticky, so I'm not going to close that quite yet. I tapped the glue because even though I have it upside down, it still wants to be a little persnickety. Tombow is so sticky. Okay. So I think that's just adorable. So we have a thanks friend with using the mask and Versamark and black embossing powder with the cute little cows that Deb made from the Hippest Hippo stamp set, which I didn't say before. And that does come with a Hippo Dies set. So that one is a celebration product that can be acquired for free, in the sense that you don't pay anything for the Hippo set or the die set, but you do have to buy $100 worth of stuff from either the annual catalog or the mini catalog, and then you can get that free. So what's really fun, because one thing that you can get is this cute little tray, not with all the embossing powders in it, but it does come with a tweezers, and it comes with a little brush like this. So that's fun. And then we made this one with the new in colors, and both of which using the Biggest Wish stamp pad for the sentiment. And so that's what I have for you today. Thanks for taking time to watch this demonstration, and I will see you again next time. Also, please remember to follow me on YouTube. I always post these demonstrations to YouTube. Today I was thinking about just going live to YouTube and then linking to my Facebook page, because if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, I really need the subscribers. I'm getting really close to my 100 that I need to get my customized URL. So there's my little pitch for that, and I will see you again next time. Thanks. Goodbye.